Hello, in this jQuery video we are going to select an element based on its type. So you can have, input elements, and you don't have to just apply to input elements. They could be applied to a variety of different type of elements, but we'll just stick with input, and they could have different types like button, submit, checkbox, that sort of stuff, and we can check based on that. So if we create a few inputs, so input, this would usually be in a form, but for our purpose we don't need for it to be in a form at all. All we need to do is just create the inputs. We're going to create a few different ones, and first one I'm going to create is of type text, and I'm going to say value. No, that's fine, we don't need a value. We're gonna put an input, and this is going to be of type button, and I will create another one. I will create another button, and like I said, you can use any other input type, but I'm going to keep it simple. Once you've got this all sorted, you can easily adapt it. So to select it, it's really easy. So you just do $, and here you put colon first and then the actual type. So type, let's say if we say button, and when it is clicked, again you could do whatever you want. You could change CSS, you could change the attributes, the HTML. We're just keeping it simple and using the click. So this is the selector, and here we're just going to say console.log button is clicked. Reload it, and we get these buttons. It might be best if I actually put a value for the button, so we can say button 1 for example. Otherwise it's a little hard to see it, if I'm being honest. So let me just add this here, and now let me reload. There we go. If I click that, button click, button click, button click. If I click on this, it doesn't select it, but it doesn't print it out. But if I change text, however, and I reload, the buttons don't work, but these do. So even though they're not a button, we can still detect an event such as click on it. So I'm just going to change it back to button. If, for example, you want to detect, or select any type of, all input elements, you can do that really easily as well. You can just do something like $colon input. So this will be all inputs, and if we do .click, here it's going to do console.log, and the log is going to say input is clicked. Save that, reload. So that should trigger it, that should trigger it. These should also trigger the input is clicked code, simply because it's every single thing is an input, but if it's a button, it also prints out this code as well. Like I said, you can do for all the different input elements with a certain type. It could be file, submit, checkbox, radio, password. You can even do for enabled and disabled. To do that, you just replace this with enabled, for example, and disabled, for example. What I'm actually going to do is provide an amazing link where you can see all of the different features. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.